about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have this new wig from UNICE and they can be found on Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'll leave all the details and links in the info section below. So here's everything that I received with my wig, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the wig that I picked up this time is this gorgeous reddish brown 7x5" lace wig, and it is in this gorgeous curly texture. Now this wig does have the pre-cut lace, the pre-plucked hairline, and the bleached invisible knots. So pretty much if you're a beginner, this wig is ready to go. It's a wear and go. All you got to do is put it on your head and literally go. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. You guys do notice that it has the pre-bleached knots and also this removable adjustable elastic band. But as usual, I like to go ahead and just put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received it and if anything needs to be done. Now you guys, this wig is perfectly fine how it comes. Now I will be tinting the lace just by using a little bit of foundation, and I'm going to also co-wash this unit just to kind of help get rid of some of that frizz that developed while the wig was being shipped to me. Now if you guys are interested in this wig or anything that you guys see over at UNICE on Amazon, they are currently having their Black Friday sale with savings up to 35% off. So you guys definitely are going to want to take advantage of this sale. Now it does run between November 20th through the 27th, so you guys have to be quick. So go ahead and check it out. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and get this wig ready to wear. I'm just doing some minor styling. I'm going to go ahead and lay the perimeter of the wig and kind of work on redefining the curls to kind of get rid of some of that frizz.
On the waves like Elvis, let me make this shit clear. We don't really ride with y'all over here. Coldest breathing who I see in the mirror. I get fresh, hopping, whipping, I steer. Bet not flex, cause I'm on a new tier. Chase a check, gotta race to the door. I'm impatient, I just get it and go. I might just cover my neck in some gold and get hella cold just to go to the store. And I need all that you owe me a mo. Time is money, I done said it before. Handle business, then I'm back on the road. Bring the heaters in the game, that's so cold. I think I'm good with arenas. Lay them out just to see if they mean it. I be ballin' like we still at recess. I'm for real, they do it for pretense. Stay in Nikes, but I might pull out the Yeezys. Might tint the windows in the whip so you can't see me. Keep it real, this ain't a net, this ain't for TV. Keep crying wolf, I might.
So I went ahead and I let the wig sit in air dry overnight, and this is what it looks like. You guys got to really pick up that curling cream because it makes the hair so soft even after it dries. It doesn't really develop like that crunchy cast or anything like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on the lace. I'm just using a little bit of foundation just to get it to blend well with my skin tone.
I've been ballin' so long I can't help it. I need every dollar, I'm selfish. And the flavor engraved in my DNA. They just ride on the waves like Elvis. We know you.
And now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. Now I do often get this question, are these wigs big head friendly? And y'all see it fits my head perfectly fine, right? Not only do I got a big head, but I got a ton of hair up underneath these wigs. And yes, it does fit very comfortably, so no need to worry there. But now I'm going to go ahead and cut down and make myself some baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like, and y'all can automatically tell that I am in love with this color. I usually don't like to do color, but for the past few months I've been trying to live outside of my comfort zone. I'm trying out different colors and I'm noticing that I actually like it on me. So I'm really feeling the color. I love this texture. Y'all, this texture looks so natural. I kind of like the frizzy look that it's giving off. It's not a bad frizz, it's a very natural frizz. Almost like I have like a 3B, 3C type hair, and I'm just here for it. Once again, the color is really giving like autumn, transitioning into winter, and it's just gorgeous. I went ahead and I darkened the root just to kind of give it a grown out colored look, and I think it works really well. It really matches my brows, being that I don't have any like tints on my brows to match the hair, and so the dark root just kind of makes it to where it looks very natural on me. Now this wig is a glueless, so I didn't use any adhesives or anything like that. You guys see how it just melted right into my skin. Now y'all just get into this body and the movement. I just love this wig. This wig is gorgeous. Now once again, this wig can be picked up on Amazon UNICE. I'll have all the details located below. You guys definitely take advantage of the Black Friday sale, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.